Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hull Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Yeah, you've got to stay tuned for this. Before you do though, subscribe. I really do appreciate the support, guys. So what have I got for you today? I've got a 2023 Harley Davidson Sportster S. So this is the 1250 engine. Lots of extras fitted. The bike has done a grand total of 3 miles. Yes, you heard me correct folks, 3 miles. So it's effectively a brand new bike, but the previous owner had a lot of extras fitted to this machine, and we'll go through those anytime now. So let's just have a, in fact, to tell you what, let's do the extras first before we have a walk around, then you'll be able to see what I'm on about. So I'll do the big bullet points. So we had the upgraded air cleaner on there, 309 quid. That's not bad, is it? We had the straight bar conversion done, which looks fantastic, £207. We've got the mid control kit, 600 quid. There we've got the pillion peg mount, 250 quid. We've got the pillion pegs, 130 quid. We've got the pillion seat, 145 quid. So yeah, some real nice extras on that bike. And what also, I do have the original bars and like the original pegs and everything in this box here as well that will come with the vehicle. So everything's present and correct on that department. So let's have a steady walk around this bike. Everything, as you'd imagine, is absolutely immaculate. It's done 3 miles. You know, I don't need to tell you about the tyres because they're brand new tyres, they're brand new everything. It's unbelievable, really. But yeah, what an absolute fantastic bit of kit. I do like the styling of this. I think Harley have got it right on this one. I do, and I like this, the black over this kind of bronzy gold. I think that looks really nice. Obviously all keyless, but yeah, these straight bars over that front end, look at that, that looks awesome. Yeah, that really does look good. Love this front end. And this light as well. Kind of, I don't know why, but it's got a Battlestar Galactica theme going on there. You know, a biddy 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 kind of a thing going on, I'm not sure why it reminds me of that, but it does. And again, this side of the bike, you know, it's just a new pin basically. Absolutely unbelievable. I do like the styling of it, I really do. This Sportster S. So, you know, it's got heated grips on there, it's got, yeah, it's just got everything. It's lovely, absolutely lovely bike. So like I say, paperwork wise, I've got the original purchase invoice for this bike. We've got all the keys, all the books, everything you get from Harley Davidson. The bike is HPI clear and it's beautiful. Let's just do a cheeky start up. So obviously it's keyless. I've got the keys in my pocket. So we just turn that on. Let the dashboard fire into life somewhere. There we go. Let it do its thing. Lovely dashboard. And there we go. So I'll turn that off, no point in running it, it's a new bike. And we'll just turn that off altogether. So the bike will go through the workshop for a full check over. Obviously it's too new at time of filming for an MOT. It will come with a warranty with ourselves, but I think it's still in Harley Davidson warranty as well at time of filming. We can offer nationwide or international delivery on this vehicle. I can offer zero deposit finance, even do a PCP on this bike at time of filming as well, because it is so new. Can take part exchanges. So yeah, just such a nice bit of kit. I like the styling of this a lot. So if you want to know how much this bike is, there is a price below in the description, and also a link to the website where you'll find a load of photos, and you can have a bit of a zoom in as well at particular areas of the vehicle. But yeah, it's just basically a new bike, folks. Other than that, I'm going to sign off, but don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. Oh, if you want to know a bit more, give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. And if you want to come down and look at the bike in person, of course, you're more than welcome, as always. Don't forget though, drop me a line before you set off if you're travelling any more than half an hour, just so you don't get in the doghouse and you arrive and it's sold or something like that, because I don't think this bike's going to stick around. Only 3 miles on it. You're going to save a shed load of money buying this rather than a new one. Anyway, other than that, I'm going to sign off. Don't forget, like I say, hit that subscribe button for me, folks. Have a fantastic day. If you're passing Doncaster, pop in for a brew, come and say hello. Other than that, folks, stay safe out there. Cheers for watching.